English GRE vocabulary. Exercise 16 synonyms. 1. Dwindle. A. Blow. B. Inhabit. C. Spin. D. Lesson. D. Lesson is the correct answer. 2. Ecstasy. A. Joy. B. Speed. C. Treasure. D. Warmth. A. Joy is the correct answer. 3. Edify. A. Mystify. B. Suffice. C. Improve. D. Erect. C. Improve is the correct answer. 4. Efface. A. Countenance. B. Encourage. C. Recognize. D. Rub out. D. Rub out is the correct answer. 5. Effigy. A. Requisition. B. Organ. C. Dummy. D. Accordion. C. Dummy is the correct answer. 6. Egregious. A. Pious. B. Shocking. C. Anxious. D. Sociable. B. Shocking is the correct answer. 7. Egress. A. Entrance. B. Bird. C. Exit. D. Double. C. Exit is the correct answer. 8. Elated. A. Debased. B. Respectful. C. Drooping. D. Gay. D. Gay is the correct answer. 9. Elusive. A. Deadly. B. Eloping. C. Evasive. D. Simple. C. Evasive is the correct answer. 10. Emaciated. A. Garrulous. B. Primeval. C. Desperate. D. Thin. D. Thin is the correct answer. 11. Emancipate. A. Set free. B. Take back. C. Make worse. D. Embolden. A. Set free is the correct answer. 12. Embellish. A. Doff. B. Don. C. Abscond. D. Adorn. D. Adorn is the correct answer. 13. Embroil. A. Cherish. B. Overheat. C. Entangle. D. Assure. C. Entangle is the correct answer. 14. Emendation. A. Correction. B. Interpretation. C. Exhumation. D. Inquiry. A. Correction is the correct answer. 15. Eminent. A. Purposeful. B. High. C. Delectable. D. Curious. B. High is the correct answer. This concludes exercise 16. Exercise 17 will be shared shortly.